Hello world, this is cocomarTech. In this channel, I'm going to review smartphones for both the Android and iOS devices. Just a quick personal background about me. I graduated with a degree of BS in Computer Science, where I worked for a tech company before as an R&D mobile engineer, where I developed Android enterprise applications for companies. Testing smartphones or anything related to it is one of my hobbies. I also change my phone very frequently to the point where my friends and my girlfriend get surprised or confused because I'm asking for their opinions even though I just got a new phone. So I did this channel so I can help you find your new phone. I also have another YouTube channel where I put my real estate listings and do my house tours. If you're interested with that, I will put the link in the description below. That's it for my introduction. I'll see you in the next videos. Semicolon. Just a quick personal background about me. I graduated with a degree of a computer and I worked for a software company before as an Intindihan mo ba sinasabi ko? Parang feeling ko hindi. As an R. I graduated with a big B. Just a quick personal background about me. I graduated with a degree of personal background about me.
Personal. You graduated.